Welcome back to new exercise in SolidWorks. Here we will learn some basic sheet metal commands like base flange, then we will see edge flange, then we will see how to use fold and unfold tool, and even though we will learn how to use forming tools. In design library there is a forming tools, how to use this bridge lenses to create this shape. Look, we will use forming tool to create this bridge lenses. Now in this exercise we are going to start with front view. See, this is our front view. Now let's check note first. All dimensions in millimeters, thickness 1 millimeter, radius 1 millimeter, inside radius is 1 millimeter. Now we will do it half portion and later we will mirror half portion. So here width 25, half width, and if you check the height 50 millimeter, and how long we need to extrude, see overall length 125 millimeter. So first right bottom check unit, it is millimeter. So let's start. Before going to start, right click on tabs, go to tabs and here choose sheet metal. That's it. Now click front view, sketch. Now activate line tool. Draw L shape, right click, escape or press escape key to exit. Activate smart dimension. This length 25 millimeter, height 50 millimeter. Okay. See. Now go to sheet metal and activate base flange tabs. Now look, this is going this direction. Let's make reverse direction. So see here, direction 1 end condition, make reverse. Length 125. Look, isometric. But see, it is going outside. So here you will see sheet metal parameters. Thickness 1 millimeter, reverse direction, see it goes inside, and the bend radius, inside radius 1 millimeter. Bending allowance K factor, this is we will keep as it is, and relief hole I'll say how much we will keep, it is mentioned in drawing, so let's keep as it is. Look, now here you will see one more flange. If you, okay, let's check, this is the flatten view, so this portion we need to make. Okay, this portion how much, here is written 24.5 from this end. Okay, and here the gap from bottom is 2 millimeter, 24.75, 2 millimeter gap. So I'll activate edge flange. I'm going to choose this one. Drag your mouse inside, click somewhere near here, come down, use default radius and thickness 24.75. material it's outside, you will see material here, you will see outside. See the length distance from this corner, but there is material outside. So similarly we will keep material outside. We don't need any relief hole here, so let's keep as it is. Say okay. Look, now let's make these cutouts. 16, 7, 9.5 from center line. See, this is the center line. At bottom the same, 19 by 2, it's 9.5. Height 3.2, and there is one taper height also 2 millimeter, and 16 millimeter this height, and this is going to cut. If you check, see there is a cutout 4.5 inside. So here also this cutout you will see easily, see this portion. So we will see how to make this. Click sketch. First activate center line and draw one center line. See, this is little out from this. So this is origin point and just draw a line. Click line and check this is horizontal, vertical. That's it. Activate line tool and let's start from somewhere here. And click activate smart dimension and let's define the dimensions. 16 millimeter, this one 7 millimeter and this one 9.5 millimeter. Now again activate line tool, come down. Okay, now I'm going to start from this origin point to somewhere like here, then this point, something taper like this. Oh no, this is vertical line. Again activate line up to this line and connect origin point and close geometry. Smart dimension, this is 19 by 2, it's 9.5, 3.5 and the bottom one is 16, and if you check this by default 2. Okay, now this is going to cut, so go to sheet metal and here option extruded cut. End condition keep blind, uncheck link thickness and depth 4.5 millimeter. If you see, look how this is going to cut. Let's check flatten view. Look, now let's make some cutouts like this cutout 12.5 by 22 and you will see, okay, distance from this end, okay, there is a flange, so opposite of flange 22 16 millimeter, 22 is the length, 16 from bottom, and here you will see symmetry. This is the origin point. If you see, this corner point is actually origin, so symmetry of this, and you will see here radius R1. So first we will unfold, so choose unfold tool, make this one base, bend, I'll choose this one, say okay. See, this is flat, only one what we need, we only flat. Select this face, sketch, activates corner rectangle. Now 22, tap 12.5, enter. Okay, now find out center point. This is the center point of this rectangle, hold shift, origin point, vertical. See, this comes in one line. Now distance 16. This is fully defined. Activate sketch fillet 1 millimeter and select whole rectangle. Say yes. Okay, now see, the rectangle is confirmed. Now go to sheet metal, activate. Now here end condition, click link to thickness because we want to cut only up to thickness. No need to define the depth. See, now let's go to previous position. So click fold. If you choose fold, see fixed face already selected. Bending, this is the bend, choose. Okay, look. Now let's move the next. Now here next is going to make a hole. You will see at center there are 4 holes, 25 millimeter away from center line. Center line means we are going to make half. Okay, see, distance between these two 63.5, from this end 28.5, 12.5 is the diameter. So let's unfold, and this time I am going to choose this is as a base, and here collect all bends, no need to define one by one, say all. See, now our hole going to make at this point. So click this, sketch, circle. Now first hole is 12.5, enter, enter. Escape key to out. Now hold shift key, equal hole. One more thing defined, select both the point, hold shift key, vertical. Activate smart dimension. First these two center 63.5. Now from here to this point 28.5, and distance from this corner is 25. This is fully defined sketch. Go to sheet metal, extrude cut, end condition keep blind and check thickness, so that we will cut only up to thickness. Say yes. Look. Now what we will do? Fold. Base selected, collect all bend. Okay. Look. Now here the next thing is bridge lenses. See, there are 6 number of lenses, 6 bridges, and this is forming tool. You will see here in side view, you will see here the side view, and you will see this is like this shape, and this distance 37. Okay, this is the center distance, but from this side, from outer of the thickness 28.75, and from bottom it's 25. So design library, go to design library, and here you will find forming tools. In forming tools you will find lenses, bridge lenses. So just drag bridge lenses to this face and leave. Now it is, if you rotate mouse with the scroll, you will see this is going inside. So flip tool, position, activate smart dimension. Now from bottom edge it's 25. Okay. Now from this outer edge it's 28.75. Say okay. Okay. Now look. Now let's make 3 number of things. So features, linear pattern, direction, I am going to choose this straight line. This is going to be our direction. Now feature, this one, 3 number of instances, and the gap is between this 38. You will see. Look, the 3 lenses is created. Further we will mirror it and we will make it. Now this is the body what we need. Now let's mirror this body. Click mirror. Now face. So I am going to choose this face. Clear features, we are going to directly choose body, mirror to body. See, merge solid, say okay. Now look. Let's go to sheet metal and activate flatten. Now look, this is how we made. This is the according to our drawing. If you check, okay, like this. See, holes, lenses and everything. Now the everything is almost created. Now the bottom, see, this is the, in opposite side, this is the rectangle things going 32, 9 millimeter from bottom edge. There is 2 holes, 3.2, and this distance, center distance 19, and distance from bottom 4.5 there is a chamfer, 3 by 3 chamfer, and at this corner also there is chamfer 3 by 3. So that's it. This is the last thing which is we need to make. So rotate, activate edge flange, click bottom edge down, and this is inside. Now if you check here, see 1 millimeter thickness inside. And one more thing, if you see bottom view, this is the ratio 1 by 1. So first we need to make shape. So click edit flange, look, drag, activate center line and draw one construction line. Now select these 3 lines along with construction line, make relation symmetric. That's it. Activate circle tool, 3.2, enter. Now hold shift key, select both the circle and this line, symmetric relation. See, if you choose symmetric means it's equal. Let's make first outer dimension 32, inner 19, from inside or from outside of the thickness 9, from here to this line it's 4.5. See, this is fully defined sketch. Go to back and okay. Now here we don't need to change anything. Material thickness inside. If we choose inside, you will little slit here, and this is called custom relief type. It's rectangle, and this is 1 by 1, right? So I'll choose unchecked. Here write 1:1, or if we choose useful relief ratio, directly write 1. The both things are same. Say okay. Look, thick inside, radius always by default what we took at the starting. Now click here corners, break corners. First is chamfer 3. Let me choose this corner, this corner, this corner and this corner. Say yes. Look, real view. Let's save this one, exercise 140. Click flatten view. Okay, select this face, normal view and look. See, this is how we use different tools and create this simple exercise in SolidWorks sheet metal. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.